There we go, folks. Just thought I'd share another package day. So a good friend of mine, you all know him well, Mr. Roy Salmons, reached out to me. Well, I reached out to him a little while ago, actually, because I was watching his full impressioning before all his videos went. I've been meaning to get into it, and I saw a particular set he was using. I have bought a set recently. I say recently, last year. I've still yet to really get into it, but yeah, something I'm not having much luck with. But I saw a set he was using in one of his early videos, and I asked him where he got it, and he couldn't remember. And well, they weren't about at the time, but bless him, he's been looking since. Oh, what's this? He said there was some bits in his as well. Yeah, he's been looking since, and he's found some, and he's got one for himself, and he remembered me, and he got one for me as well. So thank you very, very much, Roy. I'll show you what I mean. It's a really, really cool set. Let's get rid of that box. Yeah, it's a really cool set. It's something I really must get back into, and it's another skill set to learn. It's the old foil impressioning for dimple locks. So yeah, thank you very, very much, Roy, for remembering me and going out your way to get this for me and get it to me. Here we are. Look at this. Look, this is, how cool is that? So we've got some ready-made foils, and this will be good because I'm actually get to learn how this should be. In the set I've got, you've got the tape, and you have to make the foils yourself, and that's an extraction thing, I believe, possibly. But yeah, these are really, really cool. So you get your foil and you put it in there, and then you have that inside your foil, and then you put it inside the keyway, and then what you do is you can pull that bar out, and then you do the wiggle thing, and hopefully get the lock open. So on the other set I've got is just a fully retractable rod. You just take it out and put it away. So that's really cool. Thank you, Roy. That is brilliant. Now, what else has he sent here? Look. Let's see. We've got a couple of stands, I think. And some other stuff. This is very cool. He sent some more badges for me to give out to people. I do have a Roy Salmons badge, but I've now got some spares, so I can pass those out to people when I send things out. Thank you, Roy. There's always people that appreciate swag in the community, as you know. Ooh, that's very cool. Looks like a moon. I like that. It's different. And of course, Roy Salmon stickers. Oh, there we go. I guess that was a practice one, maybe. That's super cool. Very nice. Look at that. That sits on there very nicely. And I've got a spare one for something else. And some more stickers. So, Roy, thank you. You are the man. You are a legend. So, yeah, that's something to do a video on, maybe. The whole learning process, because like I say, I've had a little go once and I couldn't do it, and it put me off, and it's been in the cupboard since. So it's something I need to work on. That's it for now, folks. Anyway, I just thought I'd share this with you. Thank you so much, Roy. Love you, mate. You're a diamond. And yeah, that's it. I'll see you soon. Take care, folks. Bye-bye.